Well, good day, everyone. Thanks for coming and visiting us at Heritage Vault online. As you can see, I already logged in on my account at the home feature, all that right there. I'm going to demonstrate the tutorial for a feature right here. It's called a chat box, widget box right here. So every page will have this. If I go to pricing, about, contact, as you can see, every one of these pages will have that chat box widget down there, no matter where you go and everything else. So, okay. All right. So I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Okay. So just click on that, the chat with box widget. So here it is right here. It has a lot of, information right here. So it's like a self-help self-help frequent ask question here. Like for instance, that I could type in like and let's just see. And you can either click that area or hit enter, and you'll search what we have at the Heritage Vault online to get the information of what we have here. And there you go, you have this, all the information right here, and they'll tell you right there. And okay, see, you can answer that right there. Answer the question about, okay, if you wanna refresh it, see, this is the refresh button. Tell them to click on that. It brings you back to this, how to restore and all that right there. And if you want to minimize it, just go ahead and click on this arrow down, and there you have it right here. See, you click on that, brings it back up, and bring it down so it's a chat box. The other feature I want to show you guys about, it's just say that I'm on. Let me get mine. Okay, so I'm on this right here. I'm gonna minimize it. Just say that you're on your mobile device, no matter what it is right here. So if I were to scroll down and you see this widget right here, this is a scroll up, like, lots of us right here, where we scroll all the way down and we say, oh, we got to take the mouse or take a finger. It's just like, it's like swat, what do you call it? Scroll up and down with our fingers or our mobile device to bring up, Well, with this, what widget does is that when you click on this, it automatically brings you up to the top of the page. See, you want to click on it? See, it brings always to the top. Want to bring it down? You see it shows up right here. Okay, this is your mobile devices. The same thing applies to all desktop right here. Okay, desktop computer. So I'm down here, and when I click on it, it'll bring up all the way to the page. Or when I have to take the mouse and scroll it. Okay, that's about it for today, folks. Thanks again for coming by and Heritage Vault online. All right, thanks for hanging around with us. All right, have a good day. Yeah, bye.